Did you know you can give someone access to your Google business profile without sharing your Google account password? Whether it's your employee, marketing agency, or business partner, it's easy. In this video, I'll show you how to add a manager or owner step by step. First, make sure you are signed into the Google account connected to your business. Then, search your business name on Google. You can also click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Business Profile Manager. You will now see all the business profiles connected to your account. Click the business you want to manage. Once your business profile is open, look for the three-dot menu. Click the three dots and select Business Profile Settings from the menu. This will open the main settings for your business profile. From the Settings menu, select People and Access. This section shows everyone who currently has access to your business profile. From here, you can add new users, change their access level, or remove users who no longer need access. Click the Add button. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Next, choose the access level you want to give them. Select Manager if you want the person to help manage the profile without giving them full owner access. Then click Invite. Once they open the email and click Accept, they will officially become a manager of your Google business profile. And that's it! You have successfully added a manager to your Google's Easy business profile without sharing you how to add a manner in your login details. They can now help manage important areas of your profile, including business information, photos, posts, customer reviews, and updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy Google Business Profiles tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.